Most traders have at least 8 indicators on their charts right now, and every single one of those indicators is telling them something different. One is telling them to buy, one is telling them to sell, and one is telling them to just wait a little bit longer before making a buy or sell decision. And the trader is just sitting there frozen, not knowing what to do. That's not a strategy, that's just noise. And noise is what's keeping most people from making consistent money in the markets. So here's what nobody's really telling you when you first start trading. Adding more indicators doesn't make you more accurate, it makes you more confused. The professional traders, the ones that are managing real assets out there, they're not running 10 tools on a single chart. They're running 2 or maybe 3, sometimes less, because clarity beats complexity every single time when it comes to the market. And today I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like and why simplifying your setup might be the best thing you do for your trading career. Let me explain why this happens in the first place though. When you guys are new to trading, more feels like more. More indicators feels like more information, feels like more control, but here is a very simple truth. Most indicators are measuring the exact same thing. They're all going to be derivatives of price and volume, and sometimes if you guys like the Fibonacci's, it's going to incorporate time. That's it. So when you stack 6 of them on a chart, you're not getting 6 different signals. You're getting the same signal 6 different times, slightly delayed, slightly repackaged, and your brain is trying to reconcile all of them at once, and that gives you decision fatigue, and that means that you guys are going to be having bad entries, missed exits, and blown trades overall. When you guys are new, you guys don't really understand how to read a chart without all the information. So you try to stack it on top of each other more and more until you just have a bunch of signals and you're like, hey, well, this Fibonacci level's here, but I have a breakout right below that Fibonacci. Do I take it? Do I not? And that makes it much more complex than it needs to be. The traders who win consistently aren't smarter. They just removed a large portion of the noise. Let me use the MACD as an example, because it's one of the most misused indicators in retail trading. Most traders look at the MACD and wait for the crossover. Line crosses over line, that's a buy signal, and then they enter. That's the very basic version of the MACD, and it works sometimes. But here's what separates the traders who actually profit from the ones that don't. They're not just watching for the crossover only, they're watching the momentum shift before the crossover even happens. They're watching the histogram, they're watching whether or not the bars are shrinking or growing. Is there a divergence happening between the price and the indicator? That's one tool used extremely deeply. If you're just looking for the crossovers, you're not going to get all of those different layers of information. You want to be able to let it give you 3 different layers of information at least. That's how you master the MACD indicator. That's the entire game right there. One indicator understood completely, used with precision. That is worth more than 8 indicators on your chart when you're just using the first basic level of each indicator. So stop me right here, because what I think some of you guys are probably going to be thinking is, what about Confluence? Don't I need multiple indicators to confirm a signal? And yes, to a degree, I'm going to say Confluence matters, but Confluence doesn't mean complexity. A clean chart with 2 confirming signals is infinitely more powerful than a messy chart with 10 conflicting ones. So here's what I want you guys to do after you finish watching this video. Open up your trading platform, look at your chart, count how many indicators are on it. Now, ask yourself, do I actually understand every single one of these deeply? Not on a surface level, but deeply. Have you guys mastered the MACD, the stochastic, the RSI? If the answer is no, remove it. Keep what you understand and master what you keep. This is a very important point, because here's the truth about profitable trading that nobody really wants to say out loud these days because they keep it as a secret for themselves. Simplicity is a very good edge. Traders who win aren't the ones with the most tools, they're the ones who know their tools so well that nothing on the chart surprises them. This is why I think most of you guys need to master the MACD, stochastic, RSI, because understanding momentum tells you if you guys should just be going long or short in the first place. And if you guys understand you should only be going long or only be going short during certain times, that takes away so many losses. And if you guys are only making profits, eventually your account's just going to go up. It's going to be a masterclass in breaking new records for yourself. Now, if you're serious and actually want to be putting this into practice, you guys are going to need a platform that doesn't get in your way. The exchange I use is WEEX, and I recommend it for a lot of you guys. And yes, this is an ad. If you guys are looking to trade crypto and learn how to master trading crypto when it comes to day trading, swing trading, and even really forex trading and trading stocks in the long term, please consider using some of the exchanges I have down in the links below. They are very, very good and they help the channel grow immensely. Thanks everybody, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic rest of your day. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is WEEX, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders, all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.